Today I'm going to share with y'all how I do a cat eye set using these lash clusters from Amazon. I use a couple brands. I'll link all the brands down in the description box, including all the glues that I used in this video. So the first thing I do is curl my lashes. My lashes are very straight, and if you want your lashes to pop, I highly recommend curling them. After curling them, I'm going to use this Lash Bond glue. It comes with like a bond and sealer, but I'm only using the bond because I just want these lashes on pretty temporarily. So I apply the bond underneath my lashes, and then I go in with this super hold waterproof glue that I like from Kiss. And I really only apply a small dab on the top of the lash cluster. And I'm very careful to make sure I leave a gap in between my lash cluster and my lash line, just to avoid getting any type of irritation or bumps on my lash line. And I am applying the Fad Lash Cluster. Ooh, how many times am I going to say this word in this video? But it's in the 15mm length, and I apply 2 on each eye on the outer corners, just to give that cat eye appearance, because that's really my favorite type of lash look to go for. Next, I use the Kev 14mm lashes, and I will put the exact style in the description box. I apply 2 on each eye. And to finish off this lash look, I use the Maffney lashes, and I applied 2 12mm lashes. Here are the final results. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in my next one.